Welcome back to the channel. We got another edition of Home Tour Tuesday for you. Today we're showing you what you can get for $600,000 in Metro Detroit. Also, if you stay to the end, I'll show you why I'm standing out here in the cold. So I'll give you a little bit of a tour of one of the hottest spots in all of Metro Detroit. My name is Ed Butler, Brookstone Realtors. If you haven't seen my videos before, I do home tours every Tuesday and what it's like to live, work, and play in Metro Detroit. If you want to see more content like that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. Without further ado, let's take a look at this house. As soon as you walk in the door, boom, this beautiful staircase right in your face. Then to your right, really setting off the place, is this beautiful bright white kitchen with marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a custom island. This bright, well-lit kitchen really sets off these white oak floors. Right off the kitchen, you have this beautiful open living room where these white oak floors really shine as the focal point of this room. Then you have the first bathroom right here on the main level with these marble countertops as well, this lovely tile, and my personal favorite, this beautiful mirror. At the end of the hall, you'll find a great formal study, which would be a great place to set up shop, have an office here, or to get a little space with these wonderful pocket doors separating it from the rest of the house. Now we head upstairs to see the 3 bedrooms and other 2 bathrooms. At the top of the stairs to the right, you get the first of 3 bedrooms. This home actually features about 2,500 square feet, and like I said, 3 beds and 2.5 baths. Now you go into the hall and you enter the 2nd bedroom, which is really close to the 1st bedroom. Each bedroom is generously sized, which is what you get when you didn't try to squeeze in the 4th bedroom up here. Now we go into this beautiful bathroom, keeping the marble countertops, but instead of doing the navy vanity, they went for the white vanity, giving it a classic look with the black accents. Then a feature that you all sure love, 2nd floor laundry. As we head into the showstopper of them all, with this beautiful master bathroom with the marble countertops, as well with the white vanity and this wonderful soaker tub right here, as well as the shower to the left. Then the hall leading to the master bedroom. This large, huge master bedroom with a ton of natural lights and recessed lighting as well. You can certainly fit a king-size bed as well as a chair or a couch. Then you got this beautiful walk-in closet here, which already has the dividers and everything in here for all your clothing needs. Tons of space. That just about concludes the tour. Let's hop on out so I can show you exactly where this place is located and tell you a little bit about it. So you can't get much more in the heart of Royal Oak, Michigan, which is where this beautiful home is at. So right now I'm going to give you a driving tour of what Main Street looks like, which is pretty much the drawing place for everything that is Royal Oak. Just across the street, you're going to have some high-end, high-rise condos. I'm actually in the parking lot of one of the main staples, which is the Royal Oak Imagine Theater, and then I'm across the street from all the types of bars and restaurants that Royal Oak has to offer. So this is called Main Street. So it's the main area of Royal Oak. So this is where all the restaurants, all the bars, coffee shops, high-rise condos, all that stuff is located right here on Main Street. The closer you get to Main Street, usually the higher the values are of the homes. Royal Oak also has another section, which is literally like a block behind this one, across the train tracks that has the majority of the bars and the nightclubs right around there. The draw here is that you can park your car pretty much anywhere near there, and then you can walk to get to any restaurant, any bar, any place you want to meet up and have some fun at while walking. Actually, passing by two of my favorite restaurants. The one picture here is Coney Island. I talked about it in this video right here up above. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and check it out. And then the other is going to be Condado Taco. You saw it a couple spaces back. Man, this is some of the best food in all of Metro Detroit. The taco place is for sure. Peeking in the back right there, you can get a snapshot of that Imagine Theater back there. And this is kind of where it ends. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. And before you leave, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content just like this one, or information about moving to Detroit and what it's like living here. If you have any thoughts of moving to the state of Michigan or Metro Detroit, feel free to give me a call. All my information is down below. We help people every month move to this great state, and we would love to help you and have your back on your journey. And with that, I'll catch you on the next one.